Squarespace Payments makes it easy to handle payments, transactions, payouts, and taxes all in a single platform. With Squarespace Payments, all of your customer information and sales history is preserved, and the checkout experience remains the same for customers. You'll be able to accept popular payment methods like major credit and debit cards, Apple Pay, as well as additional alternative payment methods like Klarna. Squarespace Payments offers PCI compliance, payment data encryption, SSL-certified secure checkouts, and instant transaction risk monitoring. For the most up-to-date information on Squarespace Payments transaction fees, please click here. Before making the switch, please keep the following in mind. Your Stripe account will be disconnected from Squarespace, but will remain active to process any existing transactions. Additionally, switching to Squarespace Payments is a permanent change. To switch to Squarespace Payments, open the Payments panel, click Start using Squarespace Payments, and then Get Started. Review the information about what you should know before making the switch, and then click Accept and Continue. Click Start Import to begin migrating your account information from Stripe. After the import is complete, it may take a few minutes to activate your account. You'll receive an email after this process is complete. After your account is activated, click Connect Checking Account and follow the prompts to link a bank account for payouts. Now you're all set to handle payments, transactions, payouts, and taxes all on a single platform. Let us know if you have any questions. We're always here to help.